Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.6% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 5.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.7% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices soared, extending the recent rally in a volatile session on growing fears of a disruption to global energy supplies after Russian troops bombarded and captured Europe's largest nuclear power station. Russia's global financial isolation intensified as the London Stock Exchange suspended trading in its last Russian securities, and some insurers withdrew cover from exporters over Moscow's invasion of Ukraine. The euro tumbled below $1.10 for the first time in almost 2 years and hit a fresh 7-year low versus the Swiss franc as risks in Ukraine escalated, lowering expectations of European economic growth.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's retail sales will be released at 10:00 GMT, the UK's market construction PMI at 09:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 20:30 GMT. The US average hourly earnings will be released at 13:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 20:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.